Now here's one you won't see every day. 1965 Mercury Comet Caliente. Nice convertible. As you can see, bright red in color. One thing I will tell you is the pictures with the lighting, kind of how it is here where we do this, the pictures almost make it look a little bit on the orange side or a little bit washed out. Just want to let you know this is the true color of this car. It is a bright red. Was originally a yellow mist car, judging by the data tag and the 7 color code on it, so it has had a repaint color change. Interior though was originally black vinyl bench seat car. That is still all the same. That was originally an A code car, so it was a 289 4-barrel from the factory. Still retains a fresh 289 underneath the hood, along with power steering. This car was originally a California car. The DSO on it, or the delivering dealership, was in Los Angeles. So it did start out as a California car. As you can see, straight up and down the sides, this is a frame-off restoration in the past. So the car has been gone through, runs nice, drives nice, be a perfect car for local shows, cruise-in, roll-ins. Of course, with the convertible, just fun summer afternoons, spending some time in it. You can see how nice everything fits on this car too. Door seam there, straight up and down the sides. The one thing I did notice I wanted to show you, there was a little bit of checking with some imperfections, if I can get them to show up. There you go, in that fender. That's kind of really the only spot that I seen it. And boy, you got to get it just the right light, but you kind of see what I'm talking about there. But it's the only real spot. Most of the other part of the car has nice luster to it. Paint looks very nice. Check out the still pictures. You want to check out this thing, underside and interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have. See, pretty stock looking interior, the exception of an aftermarket radio underneath the dash. His interior is as nice as the exterior on it. Does have what appears to be about a brand new black vinyl top on it. That is power, if I didn't mention that before, so it does have a power top to it. Now remember, we can help you with transportation to where you're located at, as far as setting that up and assisting you. We do consider trades, and of course financing is available. Once again, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, and that number we can be reached at, 507-386-1726. See up and down the sides of this how straight and how nice this car really is. Something else I want to show you is, watch how nicely this door closes. Sign of everything fitting well, in great shape. I'm going to go ahead and reach in and turn this over, see if we can fire her up here quick. This thing has been a great running car, always pops right off for us. Take a look at the gauges. Fuel gauge looks like it works. Oil pressure's up, amps, needle has moved. I'm sure the temperature would come up upon everything warming up. I've not tried the radio in it. I'm guessing that's not hooked up anymore with the aftermarket underneath there. As far as wipers work. Like I said, the power top also works fine and is in very nice shape. Again, 1965 Mercury Comet Caliente. I'm going to slip around here. I guess first of all, let's hear what it sounds like back here. Great sounding 289. Nice little rumble out of it. You see how easy it started, how nicely it runs. Won't be afraid to jump in this one and go. I'm going to come up here, pause the video, open the hood so we can check out the engine bay. Let you see that. Alright, as you can see, underside of the hood finished off as nicely as the rest of the car, paint-wise. And some chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner. HEI ignition system has been put on. Power steering car, as you can see, but just nice and tight in here, just what you'd expect out of this clean a car. There you have it. Once again, the phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the store pictures at. Feel free to give us a call, email us. And of course, we consider trades, can assist with the transportation, and financing's available. 1965 Mercury Comet Convertible Caliente. Beautiful car.